this vlog thingy a shot. So it's first time vlogging, whatever, or like a room tour. I'm at citizenM, and let's just show you the room. I'm on the 20th floor, and so as soon as you get in, there's like a sink and stuff, and they're really like quirky with the stuff they write. So like that's the soap, like designed to turn even the longest haul traveler into a I can't even read, sparkling clean and nice smelling human being again. How rare. And they have like cute little stuff like makeup remover because panda eyes look nicer on pandas. Yep, and there's a hair dryer, and there's water, and it's funny because like the name of the brand of the water is called 多喝水, which kind of means drink more water, and much stuff, and save the planet. And this is the toilet, and it has like lights that you can change color, so it's like pretty basic toilet. And they have a bunch of random stuff here, and as soon as you like get in, you have this iPad which you could like control basically everything. So it's like a smart room. So it didn't respond to me. Anyway, did the blinds work? No. Anyway, let's see the lights. So here's like the lights, and you can like change the color of the lights, which is actually, I'm not sure if it's super obvious. What? Is that yellow? Yeah, that's yellow. So that's changing color of the lights and stuff. And you could like, I don't know, like I hit wake me up a while ago, and then just like, yeah, I have no idea what that means. Because I'm not a smart person. Anything happening? No one else there says my name. And I guess this also turns off your TV. Oh yeah, there's a TV. And I turned it back on. Is it on? Yeah, it's on. And bed. Once I figured out this blinds thing, I'll let you know, because it has quite a good view. Give me a second. Like something, like go to sleep, and it actually has better blinds. Like there's whiteout ones. Let's see if I can wake. Oh, this is me going to sleep and they turned off all the lights. Let's see if I wake up. Oh, they turned on the bathroom lights and all the lights. Do you think that means? Oh, and the blinds are coming out. I wonder if it's like. Oh, and there's a curtain. That's the view. This is Taipei. Haven't lived here for like 2 years, but it's still kind of the same. But there used to be like an overpass here, but they got rid of it, thank goodness. Yep.